हेलो फ्रेंड्स पुणी थोड़े स्वागत जनाऊँ आप प्रिय यूट्यूब चैनल एलजे स्टडी पॉइंट को आज थंबनेल देखि जानि पारथिबे आज टॉपिक टी कोन तो टॉपिक ऊपर अधिक आलोचना करी सीधा सड़क जा प्रथम प्रश्न ऊपर को आज प्रथम प्रश्न होउची हाउ वाज द फर्स्ट स्पीकर अगेंस्ट होम ए वोट ऑफ नॉन कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन वाज मूव्ड इन लोकसभा केएस हेगड़े हुकुम सिंह बलराम झाकर जय मामलकर राइट आंसर इज जय मामलकर। जदि हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जिबा Vernacular Press Act that was enacted in the year 1878 to curtail the freedom of the Indian League press who proposed by the right answer is Lord Newton। जदि हम विल्सन को कथा कहबा इंट्रोड्यूस सब्सिडियरी अलायंस सब्सिडियरी अलायंस सब्सिडियरी अलायंस सब्सिडियरी अलायंस जदि हम लॉर्ड रिपन को कथा कहबा फादर ऑफ local self government the next question lord mayo को कथा जदि lord mayo first viceroy who murdered in office the next question which of the following options is characteristics of the Indian Constitution? Very rigid, partly flexible, rigid, flexible. The right answer is partly rigid and partly flexible. The region the Pune Pact in 1932 was agreed upon Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Gandhiji was due to the provision that Pune Pact केबे हितला 1932 का मध्य ना बी आर आंबेडकर एंड गांधी जी को भितर तो ऑप्शन द डिप्रेस्ड क्लास would get no reserved seat in provincial and central legislative council election. The depressed class would decided if they wanted reserved seat before a provincial or legislative election. The reserved seat of the depressed class were to be voted in the general electorate in the provincial and central legislative council election. The right answer is C. The next question. A patriotic tale of the revolt of the Sannyasi against in Muslim force of the East India Company published in 1882 authored by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee was Gitanjali, Anandamata, Saraswati Chandra na Anandamata. Right answer is Anandamata. जदि गीतांजलि कथा कहबा 1930 ने से नोबेल प्राइज पाइथिले नोबेल प्राइज। The next question. Which of the following statement about social reform Sir Syed Ahmad Khan is incorrect? He focused on spreading Western scientific education among the Muslim masses in India. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan preached the one nation theory which says the Hindus and Muslims are one nation. He founded Muhammad Anglo Oriental College, Aligarh 1875 to educate Muslims scientifically. Aligarh movement was started by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in the 1860 in Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh. The right answer is B. The disqualification of member of the Legislative Assembly arising the grounds of defection in the state legislature is decided by Chief Minister of the State, Speaker of Legislative Assembly, Leader of Majority Party, Chairman of Legislative. The right answer is Speaker Legislative Assembly. The next question. Power of Parliament to amend the Constitution is mentioned in which of the following articles of the Constitution? The right answer is Article 368. Article 368. Read the following statements and choose the correct option about the Governor General Lord Canning. Lord Canning pronounced the transfer of government from East India Company to the Crown at Allahabad. Lord Canning was the Governor General of India when English Education Act was enacted. Option A is false and option 2 is true. Option I is true and option 2 is false. The right answer is Lord Canning. Option B is right answer. Lord Canning pronounced the transfer of government of East India Company the Crown. It ठीक अछि but এটা ভুল। Next. Read the following statement and choose the correct option with respect to the Rayatari systems introduced by the British. Rayatari system introduced in Delhi and most of the northern state by Thomas Munro, who was the Governor General during 1822-27. The principle of this system was a direct collection of the revenue from the each individual cultivator by government agents. The right answer is option A. Option A false. Option B is true. The false, the true. तो फ्रेंड्स आज एति विदाय दियंतु। जय हिंद।